Yes, sir.
Yesterday, what was the problem you have seen on your WhatsApp? Maybe I provided for that. Anyway, again I'm showing you. Our duty is first Windows key plus arma. There you need to apply CMD. There you will check QCTL get nodes. First you need to check first. Everybody check it in our system. Do you have single node cluster? Yes, sir. For a Helm, little bit problem is there with multi-node cluster, but in real time, there is no such problem because of we are going to work with in real time EKS. But this is the practice purpose. They provided multi-node cluster. It may be little problems are there. Leave about that. If you want to learn cube, what about Helm? Single node cluster is sufficient. First two. Second step, what I am trying to tell you, you need to check for a Helm and are you able to getting flow or not. Maybe many people know. Is it till now clear, right? Yesterday we have seen up to this. Now one more thing. I said hell. Maybe we may check it. Maybe LS or I may go with E drive. There see MD or MDR, MKDIR, MKDIR. I am giving helm. CD help. Till now clear? Now what I am going to do? Helm create. I am giving one name NJNX. What happened according to our yesterday topic? One folder is created. Technically, we are calling a chart. Help chart. You may ask me what it may contain. See CD NJNX. You need to give tree/f. Tree/f. We are able to see one structure. This is the directest. Just try to understand. Oh, chart.yml is there. Maybe in future, maybe today or tomorrow, we may work with chart.yml one. And also values.yml. The main thing is templates. Somewhere explain what is a template, a ready-made component, a ready-to-use component, ready to use component. You may ask me what template may contain. You may able to see here deployment, HPA. Many people know horizontal pod autoscaler already we discussed it. But till now we didn't discuss about ingress only. If you want to work with ingress properly, we must enter into AWS account Route 53. Route 53. Maybe the topic also I will cover. Don't worry. Now service.yml, service account. Okay. See, as a as a learner, we may have a doubt. Suppose I am going to enter into CD templates, right? Understand? Everybody know deployment, right? Notepad, deployment. If I enter here, you may see my API version app/viewer. Somewhere we have seen at least 15 days regularly, we are going to see at least the first line. Everybody agree with me? Deployment is nothing but related one is API version is app/v1 only. If I go with the service, please respond. Service API version is
V1.
hmm. Now that too also I am showing observe. That too also I am showing. There again I am in the prompt. Again I am going to prompt. Everybody try to open that too also. Notepad. They are servicing. See, at least this is very simplified. I am interacting with you with the service. What is the API version? V1. See, whatever it is fixed. In future, we no need to change means they are fixing. This is the static. Line 1 is static. What about line 2? Quick response. Kind is also static. Are you agree with me? Third line metadata. That is also static. But name. Generally, if I am working with the NGNX based service, I may give SVC-NGNX. If I go with the Java based application, maybe Java-SVC. Are you agree with me? Maybe Node.js SVC. This is Jinja template. What does it mean? Jinja template. At least leave about Jinja. At least you may remember template. See, within double curly brace, technical word is this is nothing but placeholder. Are you understanding? This is the placeholder. This is nothing but interpolation. Maybe some technical terms these are. Maybe some people may call it as placeholder. Some people may call it as interpolation. That's what I'm using all the terms. But anyway, according to our scenario, this is the placeholder. What it may contain? Ngnx dot full name. See, Nginx is the word where it is coming from. We created one chart, right? Everybody observing? Which name I provided for chart, ma? Please respond. Helm create
Nginx.
Nginx. Quickly, what I am going to do in front of you. Again, I am going to here. There one step back. Again, CD. One more step back. Now helm. HELM. Create. I'm using MOUNICA. CA. There CD MOU. There CD templates. Now notepad, right? Service. If I press enter, you may see somewhere Monica. This thing you need to remember, ma. In future, we will work with all these things only. That's what I am giving clarity. This is the dynamic. Why I am telling dynamic? Based on your chart name, is it changing or not? Is it
Yes,
okay
sir.
for you? Good. See, hyphen include. See, include is the directive. Monica dot labels. See, somewhere we discuss a service having labels. We written somewhere. Are you agree with me? Service label name is interacting with pod label. Service selector is going to interact with pod labels. Like that. Is it okay for you? Okay. Now, see N indent. This is generally the word indent. N indent. N means next line. N means next line. Please try to remember. These things, my intention is today not, I'm not discussing, just I'm telling, oh, these words are there, we'll discuss. Now, specification type. What does it mean here? Service type, you may know cluster IP, you may know load balancer, you may know node core, you may know cluster IP none, headless service. Are you observing? Here, this is purely discussing regarding three things only, either cluster IP or maybe node core or maybe load balancer. This is the template. This is what my template. Now simply I am closing this. Here, these values we want to replace with by using which file? By using values.wire. I'll show you that too also. Try to read somewhere. Everybody just remember here. Service.type. Try to remember service.type. Service having one type that belongs to which file values. Please try to remember this line. You feel comfort. Is it clear for you? What is the first word? Dot values. Dot values. See V capital, please remember V capital. If you want to settle like a Helm developer, these words you need to remember. If you want to settle like a DevOps engineer, you no need to think about internal things. What are the external things I am going for? Close this. Again close this. Even close this. I am talking about now Monica related template. See, one step back, notepad, values.yl. Now, somewhere we discussed service dot, somewhere we discussed, right? Service dot. Please observe. You may able to see service. Are you able to see the word service? Service colon followed by type. Type. What we written here, please observe what we added here.
Cluster IP.
Finally, which will be available, available there at the end. At the end, what is the final result? Type colon cluster IP. Suppose for our case, I'm changing which one I'm changing. Please respond. Load balancer. Now here, if I change load balancer within the service template, automatically this will reflect whatever you are doing in the values.yml, where that is reflecting within the template folder, whatever it is there relevant to template folder. Everybody getting clarity? Just I changed the first one. In the same way, I am going to change. Please observe somewhere. Replica count. You tell me more than one I am expecting. Below 5 mark. Your wish. Tell me.
Three, sir.
Three. Two areas I change. How it will be there in the deployment.yml. See my dot values dot replica count. I'll show you. Dot values dot replica count. Shall we go for that? We may able to see how it is replacing. That is my intention. Close this. I want to open values.yml. Quick guidance. How can I open it? CD templates. There. Notepad. Values. Not values, right? Deployment. Somewhere I expected something. I explained already something. And which line it is there, ma? Suppose my cursor is somewhere is highlighted. Are you agree with me? Dot
Yes, sir.
values. What dot values represent? Oh, these values belongs to values.yml file. That you need to remember first. In values.yml file, what is the property? Replica count. What I specified there, replica count colon 3. This is the final result. Please respond. I am removing this. I am removing this in front of you. Assume. I am removing control X mark. What is the final result? Quick response. Anyone?
Three.
3. This is good environment, right? Somewhere something happening that is reflecting on where? Oh, template. That is reflecting on template. All the templating files where it is available within the templates folder. Vishwa, you got it or not? Please respond. Any difficulty till now?
No, sir, clear, sir.
Good. Now, this is not the right format. I need to take which one? Again, templating format only. Why I need to take templating format? Today 3, tomorrow 30 may be there, right? Day after tomorrow 1 may be required, right? Dynamic changes. If you want to do any dynamic changes, which is mandate, please respond. Templating format is required. This is the templating format. I said placeholder. Maybe you may said interpolation. You may think some other. Ginger template. The technical word is ginger template. Everybody understood. Now, very simple way, I am going to deploy this first. What happens? You may see. Click on save. Now, how to install quick response? Anyone? How to install it? Helm, install, release name. Are you agree with me? But if you want to install, you must be in the main directory folder. What is the main directory folder? cd dot dot. I'm in Monica folder, right? I'm in the Helm chart, right? See my Helm, install, release name. Before going to this, I'm going to remove existing things, ma Helm ls, because you want to see the out. See, already one release is there. How to uninstall? Because I'm giving the technical word. Helm uninstall. Helm uninstall. Uninstall. There, what is the release name? REL11. See, is it removing or not? Once it is removed, you need to check Helm ls. Helm ls. Till now, any application is there? Any deployment is there? No. Now we are going to deploy. Which chart we are going to deploy? Respond anyone? Which chart I am going to deploy? Monica chart.
Monica.
How to deploy? Helm, 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 install. See, technical word I am using deployment, but there is no direct word deployment. I am going to install. Now, after installing, I need to give release name. Maybe my first hyphen REL, my first release. See, which application I am going to deploy? Monic application. That's why dot represents current directory. Shall I press enter? Yes. Good. See, it got deployed. It got deployed. See, how can I know status? Observe everybody. Are you able to see the status, everybody? What happened? Deployed. First, what you need to check? You need to check for service. How can you check service quick response? kubectl get svc. See the service name. My first REL, what it represent? Anyone can interact with me? Somewhere I use it, such a name, naming convention.
Deployment.
Release name. This is the release name.
Release.
My first. Release name hyphen what it is, ma? These words are very, very important. They are asking in interview.
Chart name.
Very good. Release name hyphen chart name. Release name hyphen chart name. Ganesh, till now clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the service type, Ganesh? Load balancer. What is the advantage of load balancer? Already it got exposed. I think the dictionary meaning also exposed. I never go in that word, but at least everybody understand. It is exposing for outside the word. What does it mean? You can able to access on the browser. That is the general meaning. Shall I go and access it? Yes. How can you access? Just you need to open the browser. Just open the browser. You need to give localhost. Localhost. This is the one way. Application is very simple, right? You may ask me, okay, sorry, this is fine. Okay, you got the output. But industry, in this simple way, we can do it in the industry. No, we learn nearly 15 days. We need to enhance step by step, step by step. Till now, anyone facing any difficulty? Please respond. No doubt?
Please.
Clear. There I want to see welcome to NGNX, not only welcome to NGNS, but also welcome to DevOps. Here I want to see. Anyone can guide me. Not only welcome to NGNX, even there welcome to DevOps I want to see. Quick guidance. I'm giving 5 minutes time for you. Based on your interaction only, I can do it. You can try. You try to interact with me. I'll do it. Don't worry. This is the existing application. Viswa, assume for 1 minute. Already, maybe your boss is given this task. Already, Helm chart is deployed. After deployment, it is running deployment, right? Within the existing deployment, this line they are going to change. It is running application. Dynamically, you want to do changes. Yes, we can do it. What to do? That I'm asking from you. I'm expecting from. Very simple answer. Wherever, whenever, if you want to change the application content, you must enter into the container. That is the simple answer, man. Where you can enter. Final. Again, I am asking. I am telling to you. Application should contain within the container only. Pod not contain application. A pod contain container. Container contain your application. This is the application content. Are you agree with me at least? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, what to do? I think I given the clue, right? What will you do? You need to enter into container. How can I enter into container? Everybody know, right? What to do? First, you need to go enter into pods, pod section. kubectl get pods. This is the pods, right? Pod 1, pod 2, pod 3. Because of there, I given 3, right? Yes or no? You can see kubectl get kubectl get deployment. Deploy. Check it. See, my first, what is that REL? Release. Chart name is Monica 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Now what shall I do? Maybe we may go with at least, or else for your easy understanding, here 3 by 3 are there, right? If I change in 1, maybe we don't know. Maybe 2 may run, 3 may run. According to load balancer, it will work. For that, we may reduce into 1. We may reduce into 1. Now what to do? I want to reduce means I will go and change it. What to change? Quick response. Notepad. Values.yml. Observe carefully. There I am going to change wherever 3 is there. There I am changing to 1. This is the one. I am closing this. You may ask me what to do. But our feeling is, you may ask me, sir, shall I reinstall? No. If I reinstall means it may go for one more deployment. Our intention is what? An existing only you want to see. An existing only you want to enhance, right? There you may go for kubectl. There help helm upgrade up grad helm upgrade What is the release name? Quick response. What I used? My
My first student.
first hyphen RE. Dot. If I am not wrong, it will work. It worked or not? Is it okay? Now
Yes.
observe what is the revision number?
Two.
See, if you really properly note the word deployment, somewhere we use a deployment object. What is the main purpose of deployment object, Monica? The real purpose of deployment object. I explained it somewhere clearly. I am giving 1 minute time for it.
We can create replicas.
So not only deployment only create replicas, even replicas set also create replicas, replication controller create replicas, and even stateful set create replicas. Why should I ask for that concept? Because of other than deployment, am I able to create replicas? Yes or no? Yes. That means that is not the right answer. Next. Any other? Ganesh, I think you
Sir,
are the second best student for a helm or third best student for a helm.
second batch.
Second batch, good. No, I'm giving clue for you. Somewhere I used updates and rollbacks. At least have you remembered? We can able to do
Yes, sir.
updates. We can able to rollbacks. Till now, what I did observe here? Am I did upgrade or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I did. See, multiple versions am I creating or not? There, according to deployment, multiple versions. According to helm, multiple revisions. Is it okay for you? Now, see, I may able to see once again output. There it is running. Maybe you may check it. One pod is running. Those things also I'll show you, ma. Don't worry. Again, I'm giving local host. Slowly we can enter into that. Yes or no? Till now one pod is there. And now our intention is what, ma? I want welcome to DevApps, not engineers. Now quickly response what to do. kubectl get pods. There, what is the pod? My first. There, one by one. This is the pod name. Copy this. At least, Ganesh, you tell me, how can I enter into that pod? kubectl exec -it. Can I give the pod or no need, ma? No need, right? There, just you need to paste it over here. Then slash /bin /sh. If I am not wrong, I made it. Now ls hyphen ltr. Now there you need to check for where is our that nginx information. Nginx information. There, quickly identify that one. opt no. Here where it is there. Maybe I may go for /where it may work. cd where is there or var where is there, ma? cd where is there, right? See
Yes,
somewhere
sir.
where is there? Yeah, where? But why it is not supporting? /where is right term. First I may go with where first. Enter it. There pwd. I mean where only, right? And now ls hyphen ltr. Now I mean where correct only. What is the next one? What is the next one? They given different path. Don't worry. I may make use of ChatGPT, ma. That will provide path. I can enter it. Here little bit maybe directory structure got changed. No worries. You may check it. Now I'm opening ChatGPT. Where is that? Now ChatGPT. Or else you may check it and tell me. No worries. Official ChatGPT website. nginx ng ins directory path. Nginx directory path. Minus in Ubuntu. That is giving etc. Somewhere etc have you seen, right? Where www are you, did you see where www HTML or maybe USR has been is there? Somewhere USR has been, are you able to see here? One step back, cd dot dot ls hyphen ltr, similar paths where it is there. Check it. There where log nginx where www, we may check it www. cd slash where or else where now ls hyphen ltr. www here is there, no, right? I hope no. I hope no. We may go for other director structure where USR has been NGNX is the right way, I think. Now CD dot dot CD USR USR PWD yes C now LS hyphen LTR USR has been is there ma CD has been again PWD yes path is correct only within the has been now again LS hyphen LTR. There within the has been what they are saying CD nginx, right? Now what happened? CD within the has been, what is the within the has been nginx only. CD slash nginx. Now not supporting ls hyphen ltr. Nginx is what here? It is taking file, right? Our intention is we need to see the directory structure ma, where it is. Where it is. It is a file. Or else we need HTML. Are you able to see anywhere HTML? No? See HTML related things where www HTML is there. Any other area? Any other area where log nginx usr has been nginx? We may try directly this one. It may work out or not. That is our duty. We need to find copy. There enter their cd and pasting. Not working. This is not the, it is not supporting. But we can't say that is right or wrong. USR local nginx, USR local nginx, I may web root, USR cd, enter, ls hyphen ltr, nothing is there. I'm copy pasting this one. Copy cd first, right? Sorry, cursor is not moving. CD after that, yes, not supporting, not supporting. Which is supporting, we need to check ma. Then only we can modify. Then only we can modify. There nginx hyphen t, at least nginx hyphen t. What is the path they are giving? etc nginx. We may check it. cd slash etc. Now ls hyphen ltr etc. There cd nginx. Now ls hyphen ltr. There at least any HTML related ma? Not able to see, right? Our requirement is HTML folder ma? HTML folder. Find command is working. Yes, working. Find. I want to see HTML. HTML. CD. Find. Not having. Okay, I'll show you ma. Don't worry. But here this is different Maybe it is taking, but we need to check it and identify. USR, share, NGNX, maybe HTML is there, where logs, NGNX is there, NGS config file. But even though that is giving different binary USR, SBIN is there, etc. This is available there. I'm asking question little bit. I want to change it. I want to change my content in running running container running container regarding 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 NJNX. I want to change my content in running container regarding NJNX. Run JNX. Change the NJNX and running container. Docker base is okay. That is okay. Okay. CD USR share NGN CD USR share NGNX. They are telling me we may check it final one. If not working, I may try once again. Now CD USR USR SLS hyphen LTR share is there. Yes, share is there. CD SHARE share enter even that too working. LS hyphen LTR there again NGNX is there or not? Check it somewhere. Are you able to see anywhere NGNX? Yes, is the directory. We got it. CD NGNX. Yes, very good. LS hyphen LTR. Yes, you got it. Now you got it right. CD HTML. Now see ma. LS hyphen LTR. Now indexes are able to see right. VI index. Index.html. VI index.html. What happened? VA is not supporting. Again, this is the problem. Okay, we may do little bit variance. Index.html. Okay, no worries. I may do other way. Catma index.html. Index.html. Now content are able to see. Now at least what I am doing. See cat single greater than what I am doing index.html there less than h1 or MARQUE there. Welcome to welcome welcome to DevApps. Welcome to DevApps. There MARQUE. Now is it okay for you? There I given mark you spelling correct only right? MARQUE control D ma. Control D. Is it okay for you? There I got changed. Now I might try to come to where running container. So I think we are able to see the output somewhere. There refresh it. Vishwa got the output. Is it okay for you? Like this, we can
Yes.
able to modify the content. But we need little bit patience because of these are all real-time activities. See, somewhere application is running. This is a running application because of already maybe train is moving. There's some problem is there. Train is going, but we need to go and rectify that problem. Is it clear for you? This is one way of understand. No, I'm going to enhance this topic. What I'm going to enhance? Maybe Docker hub.docker.com. Everybody having right. Please quickly. I may give my hub.docker.com path. Try to change universe system. You may get some problems, I know, but I'll try to rectify those things. Now, what I am trying to explain, till now you have seen two things only. How to change the number of replicas, how to change service type. Are you agree with me? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now, you want to change your own image. You may ask me, sir, first show me existing image first. I am going to prompt Now I am in not here. I need to enter into Monica chart. I am in Monica chart. There, or else we may go for CMD. There, go to D. I think E drive, right? CD, help, yes. Now CD, Monica, yes. There, I may maximize this. Now guide me. Notepad, notepad, values.py. Slowly you need to understand ma. Very first time if you see here and there I am doing little changes. See repository. See image is there. See image followed by what it is ma? Repository. What does it mean? Dot values, dot image, dot repository. What is the name of the repository? Repository represents image name. Colon image name. What was the image? Existing image? NGNX is the default image name. Now here I am going to change what I am going to change? Pati Docker slash Java web app. I don't know. Maybe it may write or not. 38. Is it okay for you? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Pati Docker Java web app colon 38. We may not able to see the output. This is the wrong format, but our feeling is what? If you know Docker, this is the right one. If you know little bit KTS, this is the right one. According to Helm, you never give here is the tag. Tag you must give. Tag section separately is there. Or agree with me? Check it on my screen. Tag version already there. There you need to enter tag. You need to enter tag. What is the tag number here? I need to provide 38. I may show you first. I'm going to enter into our browser. There hub.docker.com, hub.docker.com, my Docker hub. There sign in. If you want it, you can sign in my Docker hub only, no problem. Maybe 100 members also we can. What is the username? Pati Docker. I am showing you password also. Observe. If you are not having your account, try to log in with my account. Pati Docker. Continue. See, I am showing password also. You are all my students. No problem for me. Welcome. 1, 2, 3, enter it. Shall I move on? If you are having your own account, no problem. Now see, somewhere Pati Dakar. Our intention is you want to see, right? Pati Dakar. Or else search here only, right? Search here is there. Pati Dakar slash Java. Java web. I took Java web app only, right? Check it in my system. Pati Dakar Java web related is there. First time I check it. Pati Dakar relevant content. Pati Dakar. What happened? Pati Dakar Java web. Where is that? Java web app. Java web app. I hope without space I use it. But maybe I think 1 week back I used it. Maybe anyone can. Which one I used? Which image I used 1 week back? I hope my feeling is I use a Java web app. Java web app or Java web only. We give Java hyphen web. Java web is there, but there Java hyphen web hyphen app. Shall I take? Let me see what is the tag versions. Based on that, we can understand. See, I may click on tags. Only one tag is there. But according to my system, I use a 38, right? This is not the right one. This is not the right one. From here only I gathered, ma. From here only I gathered. You need to observe and tell me what are the tag versions. More than tags are there. It may be. I don't know correct or not. 26, 30, 17, 16. What is the latest one? 25 only latest, right? Use the 38 means which is the right image. Which is the right image. Search for Pati Dakar, PATHI Pati Dakar / Java relevant related things all I want to see. Not getting Pati Dakar related things. Okay, one step back. One step back. Only these images are there. What about this? Java web app? Java hyphen web app. Click on tags. Click on tags. Only less are there. But what was the problem? I don't know the context path. That's what I'm asking. But that one I know. I think Java web app, but I'm not able to see the proper image here. The repositories. Repositories. Once again, refer it. Java web. Java web project is there. Java web app is there. Pati Docker Nginx is there. What I can do? I want to work with our own image. I want to work with our own image. I think that day simply I used in front of you only. I clicked, automatically I got it. Java web. Maybe I may go with the Java web somewhere you have seen, right? Java web. I am taking this one. Which one we may get? I don't know, but I am using like this. Tags, click on here. You may see one tag number. Java web. There, 13 is there. Maybe shall I go with the 25? Shall I go with 25 at least? Yes, I am going with the 25. First here I am using Java hyphen web. Now today it may run or not, but you need to observe the concept. What is the tag version? 25. 20. See, till now I did two changes. One is the repository image name. Second one is what ma? Tag. Third thing, and now I am asking to you, you may everybody know, what is the port number for Java related web applications quick response?
8080.
8080. Where I need to change? Maybe based on your response, I can change it. Quickly respond. See, somewhere it must be there. You need to refer it and try to interact with me. Oh, this is the right place to change. That's what I am talking to you. See,
Access.
you may check it and try to interact with. According to deployment, again I am showing you the deployment. In deployment, somewhere have you seen container path? Yes or no? Somewhere we use or not? Container path. Shall I go with once again deployment? If anybody asks me, I may show you clearly. Maybe I may enter into, please observe. Then I may go for ChatGPT, or at least I require. Where is the ChatGPT? I think somewhere it is there. ChatGPT. Enter. Observe clearly. Deployment. Deployment dot YAML using Java based image one. Java based image. I don't know whatever it is. It may take that one. Deployment using Java based deployment manifest. I want deployment at YML. Okay, it will taken care because of that statements you must know. Maybe that is taking Spring Boot. Don't worry. That they're giving Java web, Java app. Leave it. And now this one, this line, everybody know it or not. At least respond after seeing also. You may interact with it.
Yes, sir.
Container port. Here container port within the service. Please respond. Container port must match with. These are the interview questions, ma'am. Please remember it. If you don't know, memorize again and again and again and again. Container port must match with the target port. Container port must match with the target port. Or agree with me? Again, I'm opening service.yml. Service.yml using Java based. What I written there very beginning. Deployment.yml using Java based. Okay, I'm not using Java base. Okay, Java based image. Leave it. Image. It may provide. See, somewhere are observing. I'm clearly showing where we are doing because of that's what last 15 days who properly listened, properly implemented those concepts. We are mapping. I am mapping. This target port must match with which port?
Container port.
Container port. But I am asking to you, is there any word target port? Is there any word container port? No. See, somewhere are you able to see the container port? Are you able to see the target port? Please respond here. Check it and tell me from the beginning. Slowly, I am moving. Is there any word having container port? Container is there. Are you able to see the container port? No, right? Control F, ma. Control F. Which one you want to check? Container port. If it is there, good for us. No. Shall I go for target port? Target port. TR, TRGT. Target port. See, in deployment, container port is there. What is that? Container port. In service, which port is there, ma? Target port. For NGNX, no problem. Because of what is the port number for NGNX? Quick response. What is the
80.
see? See already here. See already here within our YML file. Somewhere you may see the port. At least are you able to see the port?
Yes, sir.
System is thinking already port number 80. This 80 is adjusted for there and here. See, my name is Lakshmi Pati. Someone may ask in that street anyone Lakshmi half of the word he listened. He showed me my house. Oh, you go there. But they're expecting real Lakshmi, but my name is Lakshmi Pati. Like that system is thinking, oh, already port is there. It may think it will be container port. It may think it will be target port. But in reality, it is not a container port. It is not a target port. It is which port, ma? Somewhere I use a technical word. Somewhere I use a technical word. Service port. Service port. What is the difference between remaining ports and service port? Within the browser, with URL colon, we are giving something, right? That is the service port. See, again, I'm showing here on the browser output mark. See, somewhere here, right? Colon, this is 80. Only 80. Shall I press enter? What does it mean here? It is thinking URL, browser URL, domain name, colon, service port. What is the service port according to this scenario? Again, quick response. 80.
80.
80. HTTP default port is 80. Whether you may give or not, it will consider. But for Java based applications, what is the container port? 8080. What is the target port? 8080. What is the service port? Maybe 80, no problem. But You need to specify container port. You need to specify target port. Shall we go for that now? Now guidance. I need to write here. I am writing. Please observe here. Here. What is the first port? Container port. Colon. What is the container port? 808. Now tell me. TRGET target port colon 808. Now, if you are working as a Java-based applications, these two things you must remember. Otherwise, your application won't work. Till now, clear? If you say yes, I may move on to next.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In my deployment, how to use, you need to remember. In my deployment, in my deployment, what is the main heading for this port? Please respond. What is the main heading? Base
Service
heading here.
types.
Service dot values dot service dot target port dot container port. Are you agree with me? Or observing? This is the main one. Service. Before service, dot values is the common word. Why? This properties where it is there. In which file it
Va-
is there?
Values that way.
Dot values file. You may remember in that way. See, at the time of learning, no one is telling like this because of for easy remember words I am telling. These are belongs to values file. That's why dot values dot. What is the main property here? Service. What is the sub property here? Maybe dot port, maybe dot container port, maybe dot target port. Is it okay for you? Good. I'm using control esma or closing this. Click on yes. We need to check two things. Where you can check. Go to go to within the Monica directory. I think this is not. Now CD templates. Now first one is deployment, right? Notepad deployment. Here you check it. Somewhere dot values dot somewhere. Container port somewhere is there. Check it and tell me where is the container port. 100% you may see the word container port. In which area? Before and after, tell me. In containers, name, there
Ports.
is the ports, Sima. Here is the container port. Here you need to mention 8080. How will you mention? Based on which basis you can mention? Dot values good, right? Dot service good, right? What is the thing you need to add?
Container.
Yeah, good. Container. Container. P capital. Everybody understood? Is it clear for you? Only this thing you need to modify. Remaining areas are very common. Don't touch. Till now you don't know. Shall I go for control S? Yes, yes. Yes. Now one more thing. I'll touch. Till now I am not touching. Leave it. Now what I am going to do? I'm opening service also. Ma. How to open service? This is not required. Exit from here. Even exit from here. One prompt is sufficient. Good to go here. Now. Notepad, please respond. Service. Here, quickly tell me where I need to change. Somewhere target port. Are you able to see somewhere target port? Have you
Yes,
see
sir.
where it is there? After the port, before the protocol. But they directly mention HTTP because of default one is NGNX, right? HTTP port number is what, ma?
80.
80. That's what it will take automatically 80. But now that is not the right one, right? What is the right one? There double curly brace. Yes, next.
Dot
Dot
values.
values. Good. Dot.
Dot service.
Very good.
Dot
SCR.
target port.
Dot target port. Double curly brace. For understanding at least. Day one little bit complex only. You need to remember where to go, where to modify, how to modify, why to modify. So many things may be occur. Till now clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I close this? Again, I want to tell one more thing. Now close this. Again, I may open deployment once again. Now I'm opening the word deployment somewhere here. Notepad, not here. Now, where is the Monica? There, I think two prompts are there. Yes. Now, Notepad, deploy. Within the deployment, image related content is there. Check it. Tell me. Image related content. Image dot values dot image dot repository are able to see here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, for our understanding, I am removing this now. Why I am removing, I'll tell you. First, we try to understand. See, somewhere I specified repository name. What is the repository name? Pati Docker / Java Web. Till now clear? Somewhere dot values dot image dot tag is there. Tag I specified, right? Maybe 25. If you consider total thing, what does it mean? Pati Docker / Java Web, Java hyphen web, colon, maybe some value. What is the
Okay.
value? 25. Is it okay for you? Now, remaining things are very common. I am not touching. Now, control is closed. Is it right way or not? First, we'll check it. How can I check? Now, helm template. I'm creating helm template. Then I go for or helm template. What is the helm template is correct only? We may give dot what happening. You may see. Not working. Chart.yml file is missing. Why it is missing? No, they are not following standard. CD one step back, right? Helm template template dot. See, system is generated one manifest file. Please try to understand. Template is different, manifest is different. See dot deployment.yml. If you write manually, that is the manifest file. Are you agree with me? Template is converting into manifest. Manifest means static values. Now check it here. All are static values or not? See image colon. Are you able to see Pati Docker / Java Web colon 25? I am cross verifying. Is it okay or not? What is
Yes.
the how many replicas? Please observe. One. See somewhere container port is there. Please observe somewhere container port. Where is the container port? Refer it and tell me. Somewhere container port. Container port. You may check it. You can able to see ma. Are you able to see here? Shall I slowly observe ma? You may able to see the word container port.
Now there is empty values.
Where is that ma? Yeah, you will get it ma. But that means spelling mistake is there. CONTAINER container port. You must get the value. Shall we go and check it? Here
Yes.
you need to get the value 8080. Otherwise something going wrong. First, we'll go there. Now, what should I do? Enter it. CD templates. First, you need to check values.yml. Now, notepad values.yml. And now you check it properly. It is there or not. CON spelling mistake. Check it, ma. That's what
Yes, sir.
it is not taking.
Jesus.
Ah, that's why as a professional you must cross verify. If something wrong, we'll come and modify. I said right for every task minimum 1 hour, maximum 5 days. If 5 days is over, our senior member interact with me. What was the problem? Because of deadline may occur, right? That's why they may interact with us. Maybe in my project, for one task, we took nearly 30 days because of even they don't know what to do. Slowly I understood. Maybe I refer a lot of things. for, uh, Terraform. They given 3 votes for me. We need to develop maybe 200 lines. Slowly, slowly, after 1 week only, I understood what task they given. Anyway, here I changed my control yes. Just close this. Again, I may cross verify. You know how to cross verify? Quick response. Help. Template. Dot. Now you check it. Now this is correct only, right? Good to go. Container
Yes.
port. Are you getting 8080? Now I'm expecting target port. Where can I see? Quick response.
Service.
Service. You may check it somewhere. Service. Are you able to see somewhere service? It must be there. Service must be there.
Yes,
There
sir.
are not. Yes. What is the target port? 8080. Now our feeling is everything is perfect. Is it okay for you? Good. You want to see local host word only one time in Docker desktop. Are you agree with me? Everybody? We can able to see one time only. Already local host is applied for existing application. What shall I do, Monica? First, what shall I do? See, one chair is there in my institution. I may sit, my student may sit. If I want to sit, what shall I do? I may send my student. In the same way, local host already applied. What shall I do? I need to uninstall. First, come to here, helm ls. Helm ls. Shall I remove this? Why I need to remove? Local host already applied. Yes or no? How can I uninstall quick response? Helm uninstall. Uninstall. What is this name? This is the release name. Copy it. You need to memorize the words, ma. You need to memorize the words. Very beginning, little bit complex, but slowly you can memorize. Till now clear? Now you need to check helm. List is same. List helm ls. There is no difference. This is the alias name for ls is the alias name for helm list. Now tell me helm. What is that? Install. Quick response. This is Java related, right? Java maybe web hyphen app. This is the release name only. Don't think otherwise. Release name. What I am doing? Dot. Shall I press enter? Yes. Till now clear?
Yes, sir.
kubectl. Get what? SVC. Am I getting properly local host? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I need to check for endpoints. Anyone tell me other than Morika? How can I check endpoints? What Ganesh? How can I get endpoints? See, for everything, common statement was one is there. What is the common statement? kubectl get end points. See, endpoint is properly created or not? Because of one port, one endpoint. 3 ports, 3 endpoints. Now, final conclusion. What to do? What to do? Open your browser. I don't know the context path, but anyway, we'll try. Localhost. I may give just enter ma. You may get Tomcat till now clear. If I know context path properly, it may work. I may check Java hyphen web. I don't know. Is it correct or not? It is not correct. It is saying I go for Java hyphen web hyphen app. I don't know. That's why I'm checking cross verify. Or else tomorrow in front of you, I may develop by using Maven in front of you. Then I may create image. Then I may move on to our hub.docker.com. From that again I may import it. We will do that. But anyway, we will try multiple ways. Java web. No, I don't know what at that time what was given. Java web app. So I may check other way. What is the other way? Till now clear. They are manage app. If still now we don't know, right? Admin, it may correct or not, we don't know. It won't work, ma. If you know the context part, then only you can able to see, ma. Then only, or else again I need to enter it. I need to do extra stuff, ma. But if you give proper context for 100%, you may see the output. There, I'm trying Java. No, Java. Java hyphen web. Java hyphen web. Java web app. Web app. No. But I am only provided, but what was provided, even I too don't know. Java. Maybe we may check other way, ma. What is the other way in the sense? What to do? Go to my repository first. First, we may enter into my repository. Java web related application already there or not, we'll check it. That is the cross verifying strategy. If I am not wrong, we may work like that. Please guide me. That what is that? GitHub.com, right? GitHub slash Loki Harsha. I'm expecting Java web related any repository is there or not. You need to check and tell me. If I am not wrong, oh, what happened? One step back. There you need to click on repositories. There I'm searching for Java hyphen web. Java hyphen web. Such repository is there? No, right? Yes or no? There is no such name. Demo is there, something is there. Maybe some other repository may be there, ma. A concept is clear, right? If you give clear image with context for, that's what tomorrow class what I am telling, ma, in front of you from the scratch level, maybe end to end project from Git to what about helm. We may work with Git SCM, we may work with Maven, we may work with Docker, we may work with helm. But tomorrow also it may take maybe 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes also. Everybody try in this way. If you are having your own image, you may work like this. You are having your own image, you may work like this. Is it clear for you? I did
Yes.
today 2 to 3 changes according to real time related man. For this, for learning this topic, there I spent nearly more than 1 week, man. Maybe uh, nowadays chat GPT is there that may give clear indication. Those days no chat GPT. I did lot of experiment. Finally I got the output. Okay, till now clear. Shall I wind the session today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody at least try with first NGNX. After that, try with your own image. Your own image. Maybe whatever the image. Leave it. Okay, thank you. Vishwa, got it? Recording.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.